Okay, so hello friends. Today we are going to discuss the management of acute pancreatitis. Okay, so let's start. So we will begin the patient admission to HDU or ICU, that is high dependency unit and intensive care unit. Next, we will give analgesia. Okay, then aggressive fluid rehydration. Okay, then we will provide supplemental oxygen. Then invasive monitoring of vital signs, central venous pressure, and urine output. Another thing is we will monitor the blood gases. Next, frequent monitoring of hematological and biochemical parameters, including liver and renal function. Next, clotting. Next, serum calcium and blood glucose. Okay, then nasogastric drainage should be done. Drainage. Next, antibiotics. If cholangitis suspected, prophylactic antibiotic can be considered. Okay, then we will do the investigations. So here we will do investigations. So first one is the CT scan, essential if organ failure, clinical deterioration, or signs of sepsis develop. Okay, and this is first investigation, and second investigation should be ERCP within 72 hours for severe gallstone, pancreatitis, or signs of cholangitis. Okay, next, if nutritional support is required, consider enteral that is nasogastric feeding. Okay, so this is the management of the acute pancreatitis. So let's revise another time. So first is admission to the high dependency unit or the intensive care unit. Okay, next is provide analgesia, next aggressive fluid rehydration, next supplemental oxygen, next invasive monitoring of vital signs, central venous pressure, urine output and blood gases. Next, frequent monitoring of hematological and biological parameters including liver and renal function, clotting, serum calcium and blood glucose. Next, we have to do the nasogastric drainage. Next, antibiotic if cholangitis is suspected, prophylactic antibiotic can be considered. Next, we will do investigations. There are two investigations will be done. First, CT scan, essential if organ failure, clinical deterioration or signs of sepsis develop. Next investigation is the ERCP within 72 hours for severe gallstone, pancreatitis or signs of cholangitis. Next, if nutritional support is required, we will do the enteral feeding. Okay, so that's it, the acute management of pancreatitis. So guys, if you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe my channel.